I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AirPods are powered and paired. This is essential because noise cancellation needs firmware control. Put both AirPods in your ears, open Bluetooth settings, and tap the device name to connect. Once done, confirm firmware and OS are up to date so the noise cancel algorithms run correctly. Make sure the fit is snug. A poor seal undermines cancellation. Now that you're connected and seated, move to the control center or volume slider to enable active noise cancellation. You'll now enable noise cancellation and fine-tune it. On iPhone, press and hold the volume control, then tap noise control and select noise cancellation. On Mac, use the Bluetooth icon or volume menu. Try transparency briefly to hear ambient sound and then switch back so you understand the difference. If noise leaks, reposition the AirPods or change tips until the low-frequency hum drops. Once satisfied, use short listening tests with music and voices to confirm the optimal setting and seal. You finish by validating cancellation in real-world situations and locking in settings. Walk into noisy spaces and listen for consistent reduction in low-frequency sounds. If performance is uneven, restart your device and toggle noise cancellation. If problems persist, reset your AirPods by forgetting the device and repairing, which clears misconfigurations. Make sure microphone meshes are clean because dirt blocks sensors. Finally, keep firmware and host OS updated. These updates often improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.